Now before we dive in, if you find my videos useful, make sure to click that subscribe button and also make sure to click that bell icon on the side to get notified every time I upload a new video. And of course, if you do use Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, make sure to follow me on all at SAKITECH Online, also for the latest updates. Alright, let's dive in. Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video we're going to be talking about the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite, a Note version that is going to be sitting right underneath the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and the Note 10 Plus, and right above the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. So it's going to be known as a Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite. And of course, this phone has been confirmed for a while, but today what we got was live images of the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite that were leaked by Tech Talk TV on his Twitter account. So here's a live images. Let's take a look at these images real quick, and then I'm going to talk about more about the actual Galaxy Note 10 Lite and what exactly it is and all the features to expect. But if you look at this first image right over here, this is the screen, and if you look at the corners, all four corners of the actual screen, they're more rounded than the actual Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, which in that case is a little more squared design. So this is more like the Samsung Galaxy Note S10 and the S10 Plus with the rounded corners. You do have a punch hole cut out on the top in the middle, just like the Note 10. And one big thing is, even though you're not seeing it on the screen right here, this phone is going to be running Samsung One UI 2.0 instead of 1.5 that we have right now. But most phones are getting updates to One UI 2.0. So as this phone gets released, the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite, you'll be getting all the new features and the new interface of the One UI 2.0. Now, if you look at the side of the device, you see the same button placements. You have a volume rocker and a side key, which doubles up as the power key and the Bixby key. On the other side, there's no button, so that's just like the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. But the interesting part is on the rear, you have a camera cluster, a square-ish camera cluster, which has 3 cameras and a flash inside it. So that's most likely going to be a wide angle, a super wide angle, a standard wide angle, and a telephoto lens. I'm not sure about the actual sensor and the quality, but it looks like we do have that 3 camera setup just like we have on the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. And the phone, as you can see, is definitely going to be called Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite. So this phone is in fact a reality. Now, it was already confirmed before these images were leaked, but it's nice seeing it in live photos. Now, one thing to understand with the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite is it's going to have all the S Pen features that the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and the Note 10 Plus has, including the Air actions and the remote control functionalities. So in that sense, it's got all the latest features of the S Pen, but it's got the internals, the processor of the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. So that's why it's called the Lite version. It's not going to have the latest processor. It's going to have last year's processor. And of course, prior to this, there was a leak by OwnLeaks who showed the renders of this phone. At the bottom, we were able to spot a headphone jack. So the Note Lite might actually have a headphone jack if OwnLeaks' CAD renders were in fact true. Now, obviously, the phone is going to be cheaper than the Note 10 Plus and the Note 10. This is going to be a budget version, a light version of those two smartphones, and it's going to be released most likely not in the United States, but it's going to be on the Asian side, possibly in India and surrounding markets. But of course, if anybody else wants it in the world, you can always get it imported. So that's all we know about this phone. We did have some information about this phone, but it's nice to see it in live images, as you can see. All right, so if you do have any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below and let me know. And for now, guys, have a fantastic day. Stay tuned for more updates. Alright, so if you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe to SAKITECH by clicking that button, and also click that bell icon on the side to make sure you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you do use Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, you can follow me at SAKITECH Online to get the latest updates as well. Alright, have a fantastic day.